much do I marvel at Lord Sordel and at you, Lord Bertrand, for never did you suffer or prevent my harm that the Count did me. Never did you make a show of alarm, as though the shame or hurt I took would matter not to you. And you ought to have guarded him from failing and offense, and me from harm who served you with loyal diligence. From me and from the Count you shall have ill thanks and hate, because nevermore should the Count put his trust in you. I say it to you, Lord Sordel and Lord Bertrand, nor I who have served without any deceit or plan. For never were you sorrowful for the hurt I knew, and he who wishes to serve a Lord with loyal heart and true must, when that Lord fails, reprove him openly too. But well may the Count do whatever he will, wise or rash, for everything will be praised for him by you in a flash. I take my leave of you too, without care.